So show me your things.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, show me them. Put them right there. Yeah. There, Dana's art. Okay, I'll go around the table. And there's mine.
I need an M. No, I need an L and an M. There's an M.
And there's Loretta. Hi.
What are you doing?
It's video.
Oh, no.
I know. Where's
Hello,
your
hello.
something fun to show it? What do you have, Susan?
This
is eating.
This is
There. Then there's Susan, the giraffe. I want your words. I don't know. I think you're eating food.
I'm stuffing my face with Loretta's
And there's
wonderful topping.
and here's Susan's great table of words and pictures and all kinds of artsy stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And let's go see the end of the table. Show the camera, Linda. There we go.
He's going to fly.
Aw, that's cute. Where's yours?
Right there.
Okay, you want to hold it, Abby? You're in a bad place by the light. That'll work.
Red fox.
Let's see. That's very cool. Smile, Abby.
Abby is great.
Okay, let me see yours, Susie. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful. Isn't it? Yeah. And Anne, what do you have?
Hi.
Oh, you're doing another one too. Oh, I love the lace. Yeah, I thought about doing that too. Okay. I've been around now, and that will end it. Back at Dana.
I'm putting my last letter in for my master.